Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over the assignments for this week for you guys. Hope you guys had a good break. So first and foremost, when you get to class, make sure that you are checking your emails here. Check inbox for any new messages from me, and also check announcements. So if you click on announcements, you'll see that I posted a new one for week 5. We're in week 5, quarter 3, so we're halfway through the quarter. If you click on the announcements, it will show up. You have 5 assignments for this week. And I will go through them each one individually. But you have a all about fitness quiz on due Monday/Tuesday. You have a fitness log due Monday/Tuesday, and then you've got your sports discussion board that will be due on Wednesday/Thursday. And then you've got your mile run and your PFT squat score. They're both due Friday. Reminder, you have all week to do your mile, so make sure you pick a good day that the weather's nice to do your run. Don't wait till Friday to get it done. And as always, if you have any questions, make sure that you are emailing me through Canvas, and I will make sure that I respond promptly. If you need to meet for a Zoom meeting, please send me a message and I can send you an invite. So when you get to modules, just hold on one second, click modules. It will take you to week number 5, quarter 3, and you'll notice that all of the assignments are locked. In order to unlock them, you need to view the instructional video here in its entirety. Once you view the video, you'll go ahead and click next, and then you can go ahead and proceed to the assignments. So I'm going to explain all of the assignments to you one by one. You've got your squat test procedures. This is the first time you'll be doing this test. So you're just going to be doing as many squats as you can. Stand in front of a chair or a bench with your feet shoulder width apart, facing away from it, and then place your hands on your hips, and then you'll squat down and lightly touch the chair before standing back up. So we do that just in case you fall over, you have the chair to support you. So you're just going to try to perform as many squats as you can. And then there's like a little chart to tell you, it will indicate excellent, good, average, above average, average, below average, or poor. We're not getting graded on this. It's just kind of a good indication of where you are on the squat test scale. And then once you have practiced the squat test, you will go ahead and perform it. And you're going to do as many as you can at one time without rest. And here are just detailed instructions once again. You'll just click take the quiz, and then you're going to write down your score in a whole number format. And remember you have 30 minutes to submit this, and you're just going to write it right here. So you can write 0 through 1,000. I don't think you'll do 1,000, but if you do, you can write it down. But if you do write 0 and you have a medical condition, please make sure that you email your instructor letting them know what's going on with you and how long you'll be out for. And if you have any medical records or paperwork, please make sure you're emailing that to us. Okay, so once you put your score in, say you did 100, you'll just go ahead and hit submit quiz, and then you're good to go for that assignment. So that one is due. You have all week to perform that quiz. You can practice it all week if you want and turn it in Friday, or you can do it Monday if you want, but make sure you get it turned in by Friday. And then the next assignment you've got 2 for Monday/Tuesday. You've got your all about cardio quiz. So you're going to read the all about cardio article. Just make sure you read through this thoroughly. Once you read through the article, you'll go ahead and click next, and then you have a quiz. So it's going to be 10 multiple choice questions, and thank you for Nicole Hong for creating this week's quiz. And you have 30 minutes to answer 10 multiple choice questions. In order to take the quiz, you're just going to click the blue button here, and then you'll read through the questions and answer the quiz. So that's your quiz instructions. And then the next assignment is your fitness log. So this week, you're going to just choose your workout. You'll be working out for at least 30 minutes. You don't have to record it. Make sure that you're writing down what kind of workout you did. Make sure you're specific. Include reps, sets, weights, whatever. If it's a timed CrossFit cycle or a timed interval cycle, make sure you're including the time. Also, a lot of you guys have been going out and doing your mile on this fitness day, which is completely fine. Please make sure that you are tracking that through a fitness app and you're uploading that photo. Don't just write on the fitness log that you did a mile. I need to actually see it. So if you're just saying I went out and did a mile and you didn't provide a photo, you're probably going to get a 0. So please make sure that you're just sending me a screenshot. And then this is a breakdown for points. So you'll get 1 point for the date of exercise session, 5 points for details of your workout, the total duration, which should be at least 30 minutes, and then your exercise intensity. So how difficult was your exercise? Okay, so make sure you're including all that information with your fitness log to get the appropriate amount of credit. And once again, if you just go out and do your mile, all you have to do is upload the screenshot. You don't have to worry about all of this, and you'll get your points for that. And in order to do that, you're just going to look for the blue button at the top, click Submit Assignment, and then you have all these different ways to upload your file. So you can do file upload, text entry, website URL, or Google Drive to submit your assignment to me. And then you'll just submit it in the box here and click the blue button to complete submitting it to me. The next assignment you have is going to be for Wednesday/Thursday, and you've got your cardiovascular day and your exercise discussion board. So for the cardiovascular day, it's just a normal 1 mile day. You can either run indoors, outdoors, or do your metaconda. So here are your instructions for your outdoor run, and then you've got your instructions for your indoor run here. Well, this is for the Nike instructions, just in case you guys use Nike. I also included a video to help you guys out because some of you guys still aren't understanding. And then you've got your indoor instructions. Make sure you're including all of this information here. And then if you do metaconda, here's your instructions for metaconda. If you're noticing that you're uploading metaconda and you're not getting a grade, or you're noticing in the comments that I can't open it, please make sure that you follow up and send me an email of the video. Sometimes the video file might be too large to accept on Canvas, so just shoot me an email through district email letting me know that your assignment has been emailed. When you do this submission here, you can just write to me, I emailed you my metaconda, and just make sure you turn it in by the day it's due. Okay, you'll get your appropriate points. And then last but not least, you have a discussion board this week, and here's your writing prompt. So exercise on a daily basis can improve an individual's physical fitness level as well as enhance his or her health. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? So all you're going to do is write a 5-paragraph, at least 5 sentences supporting your opinion. And to do that, you're just going to click the reply button, and then you'll share this with the class, okay? So you can agree or disagree, that's fine. You're entitled to your own opinion, but make sure you're including at least 5 sentences supporting your opinion. You'll get 2 points for each sentence, which will be a total of 10 points. And then when you're done once you hit reply, if you click reply here, you can just write your response, or you can write it on a different file and just copy and paste it over, and then you'll just hit post to post it. And you can edit your response if you change your mind, that's fine. You can't view anyone else's discussion until you actually post a response yourself, okay? And that's all you have for this week. Once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If you need to meet for a Zoom this week, please make sure that you email me through Canvas, and I will send you an individualized link. Okay, guys, have a good week. Thank you. Bye.